If you aren't thrilled at the prospect of sitting at a desk for your entire career, the construction industry might be the answer. Construction careers are dynamic because they offer opportunities to travel, work outside, and see tangible results. Those entering the field have the chance to progress quickly as they learn new skills and take on more advanced roles. This course, Building Maintenance Technology 2, contributes to a strong foundation of basic construction knowledge, diving into key construction subjects including materials, masonry, plumbing, concrete, and safety. You'll be amazed at what goes into building a basic house. Students who complete the course will also be giving their resume a boost and demonstrating to future employers their knowledge and commitment to the construction career path.